Hi everybody, Jo here from the Lavinia creative team, and I'm just popping in today with a nice little fun design showing how we can build up background and create a scene. We're going to use one of our smaller pieces of card. This is the multifarious, the B7. So shall we get started? As you know, first of all, I tend to do my stamping, and we're going to start with Fernwick, one of our lovely new stamps. Black VersaFine Clear ink, so that's the Nocturne. And I'm just going to position him and then lift the stamp directly up. So I'm going to tear myself a piece of copy paper, the lavender stamp, Wisteria Purple, love this colour, one of the new colours. Now it's important to build that shape up, and in front, just going to stamp a couple in black. It's important to do this because then it makes it look a cohesive design. Next, the Maple Leaf stamp. This is one of my really favourite stamps, and you'll know because I do use it a lot. Shady Lane. Such a beautiful green colour this. And the thing is, I want to bring in some of the stamping in black as well. But we need the green behind. It's important, if you look, we've got the over stamping in black, and what's good about this, it keeps that cohesive design look. We've got black, the main focal point, and in two other areas. Now Fernwick needs to be looking at something, so I'm bringing in, this is from the Bumblehums. I've actually cut one of the little ones off. I didn't harm it, but it just stamps beautifully on its own, and I can still stamp it as a whole if I wish. Just wanted something for Fernwick to be looking at, so it made the design complete. Quick blot, VersaFine Clear, slow drying ink, so you need to blot it. To start building the scene up, the mini hill masks, and we're going to come in with Pixie Green. And I tend to use the larger stencil brushes just because they work well for me. So choose your size. I'm going for the flatter of the hill masks to start off with. Always blend in the lid. You'll find it just gives you a better result. And I want the darker colour right along the base look. For me, I pop the lid on, then move to my next hill. I'm not going to ink up. I want this paler because it will make the angle, perspective. If you look at hills in the distance, they're paler. So as you've got less ink on your brush, you're going to get that perspective. Move on to the next one. And we'll just pop. You've got that perspective. Next, I want the moon. Going to just pop it in this corner. Blue Atoll. And there you've got that beautiful, and that just follows that diagonal there. Dark denim now because I want to frame the design. I like it, but if you notice, I have got a little splodge there. Now I tend to look at all four corners, just see if I need any darker ink. Happy with that. Going to add a little bit of colour, and these are the Mondelez pencils, number 1, 5, 34 and number 3. You know me, lean on my kitchen roll. Don't need a lot of colouring on Fernwick. White, the pencil, fabulous. Find circular motions. Look like fur. Next, I want to come in with my soft pastel pencils from Koh-i-Noor. So I'm just going to add some shadow. First of all here, the shadowing's just in the base of the plant, gives more depth. And then beneath the plant, moon, the shadow will be straight down. A little bit from the bee. Just give it a smudge. This does two things. Makes it look more like a shadow, but also it will fix the pastel pencil, so we don't need a spray fixative. And the shadow from Fernwick will go this way because of the moon. Just a nice little tip to make sure your shadows go the correct way. Posca pen for some highlights. Stickles, this is lavender. We want some lovely sparkle on the lavender plants. I like to put mine on my work and paint it on. This is just an empty Wink of Stella brush. Makes a fabulous paintbrush. We have lots of different colours of stickles. Do check them out. It's nice to use an actual colour for a change. And this really goes well with the lovely new Wisteria Purple in the VersaFine Clair. Finally, one of our sentiment stickers. Experience. Fernwick is having his first experience with a Bumblehum. And there we go. A cute little design which would make a great card, birthday card, mail card. I mean, definitely somebody going on an adventure card. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for popping in. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all the recent videos that we do here at Lavinia. So you take care and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.